I think it's really an amazing thing to be able to batch juice. So many people think that they have to juice every day, but that's not true. Now, fresh juice is always best. As soon as you make fresh juice, that's when the juice is the most nutritious. Now, that said, when you put it in the refrigerator, it slows down that oxidation and that nutrient loss. And up to 3 days, you have minimal nutrient and enzyme loss in the refrigerator. Now, at about 3 days, when you're not vacuum sealing it, that's when you start to see a little bit more rapid drop off of the nutrients, the antioxidants, and the enzyme. So if you vacuum seal, that's how you can actually slow that oxidation process down and extend the shelf life by double. So you can take it from 3 days up to 7 days. So that's where the value of batch juicing comes in. Taking however much juice you would normally need throughout the week, you've got it set, you've got it in the fridge, and you're ready to go. And so that's where the Nama J2 really shines, is being able to batch juice, make a ton of juice all at once. You're good to go for the entire week. So you'll notice that while the J2 is juicing, I'm going to be able to talk to you. It's during this time that I would be able, if I wasn't talking to you, I could be prepping more produce. I could be cleaning up a little bit, wiping down the countertop, checking email, sending a text, doing some push-ups, or jumping jacks. Whatever you want to do while the juicer is doing its thing, because it chops and feeds and juices on its own, you can do whatever you want during that time. So it's really super cool.